Hello friends, how are you doing today? As part of our 12-week video series, this is the fifth video. I would like to cover one important topic in this video that is called modernization. Let's get into the topic right away. I wanted to share my thoughts and opinion about how the modernization works in this trending IT world, and also what are all the key things that you must need to consider as an enterprise architect or business leader while adopting the modernization strategy for your organization. All right. So, first of all, let's understand the word modernization, what exactly it means. As per the dictionary, the modernization means adopting the trending technology or modern tools and technologies for your organization to make your organization efficient. And this is right meaning, but when it comes to IT companies, modernization definition will be little different. You must need to adopt the modern trending technologies and modern tools and technologies for your organization, not just for the sake of adopting, but for improving the organization's efficiency, applications performance, and customer satisfaction improvement, all those stuff. So, when it comes to modernization, do not just adopt the modern tools and technologies for improving your organization's efficiency, but first think about which application needs the modernization first. So, as an enterprise architect or business leader, you must first do a thorough analysis of existing applications and pick right application for the modernization. So let's say like if you are driving or if you are running a transportation company with multiple vehicles, what exactly the modernization means? The modernization means improving the efficiency of the vehicle. Suppose if the vehicle is giving 20 miles per hour, tuning the engine will give you 21 miles per hour. That is called modernization because you are improving the efficiency. And if your vehicle is serving like 100 customers in a trip, and if you have the ability to do 120 customers in a trip, that is called modernization. Some of the companies think modernization in different way. If they are running this transportation company, they may go and paint the company's vehicle in different colors and modern colors, and they may bring in some additional equipments inside the vehicle to attract the customers. So this is not modernization. And also, if you take a retail company example, some of the retail companies may think that modernization means bringing the latest products inside the store so that the customer can come and buy the product. That is not called modernization. In case of retail company, if you are serving like 1 million customer, if you have the existing customer satisfaction system or return and refund system serving like 50%, you must bring in the technology to improve the customer satisfaction and return and refund process 100% efficient. That is called modernization. For this particular business need, you must need to bring the technology to assist with the modernization. So always keep in mind that adopting AI technologies like generative AI or agentic AI or AI agent solutions are not just called modernization. So if you're an enterprise and dealing with multiple applications, like hundreds and thousands of applications, and planning for modernization, first do the thorough analysis of what application need modernization and why it needs the modernization and how we are going to get the right benefit after modernizing. So these are all the golden rules for your organization before thinking about modernization. So right now, if you take an example of AI agent or agentic AI or generative AI solution, most of the applications, most of the organizations did not follow this type of analysis, and they just went and adopted this AI agentic solution, and that's the reason that they are not able to get the right return on investment. So if you are an enterprise, don't do the mistake. Follow the golden rule of first analyzing the existing applications and check whether this particular application needs modernization, and also ask the question why it is now can't be wait. So these are all the questions that you must need to ask yourself before picking an application for the modernization. All right, so now we have got an idea about the modernization is not driven by the technology trends, but the organization's business needs and what is the key business problem that we are going to solve after modernizing the application. So these are all the things that you must need to keep in mind before adopting AI agent solution or agentic AI solution or generative AI solution. So let's get into the key things that you must need to consider whether your organization is capable enough to get into the modernization journey, right? So if you are an enterprise, first check whether how many applications need modernization, whether these applications can stay in the legacy system itself, or does it need an integration of AI solution. And second thing is, check your data. Data is the key for all AI technologies. So as an organization, whether your data is right in place, and if your data is not good, not curated, first fix that out by adopting the data related technologies. That is called the base work of modernizing your application. First you must need to build your base strong to build the empire or any architecture on top of the base. So basically in this case, while adopting this agentic AI solution or generative AI solution, check your data quality, check your data sources, check your data systems, whether they need any improvement or any fix needed on those areas. So go and do that first. And then data quality. After fixing the data sources or data technologies, make sure that incoming data or the data what you stored in your multiple data sources are good enough or curated enough to use in your AI technologies. So the modernization will start later after fixing your data. And also, if you are an organization, you may have like many legacy applications that need solid integration. So integration technologies like the API Connect, App Connect Enterprise, and hybrid iPaaS integration, these are all the things that you must need to consider first and go and analyze, thorough analysis of the existing legacy systems and what are all the integration tools and technologies available in your organization and how you can fix those integration gaps. And these are all the key items you must need to consider before adopting any AI technologies, whether it is generative AI or AI agent or agentic AI solutions. So keep these things in mind. First, analyze your application. Second, analyze your data gap. And third, analyze the data quality. And fourth, analyze the systems integration and find out the right integration solutions, and make sure that your applications are very, very strong and ready for adopting the AI tools and technologies. So these are all the things that you must need to keep in mind as a golden rule before adopting AI agent solution. Basically, the modernization means it is not adopting the trending technology just like that, but adopting the trending technologies to help the organization to move further. And you must need to identify the right business problem to adopt the trending technologies. Without identifying the business problem or without having any business objective or without having any organizational level vision or mission, adopting the trending technology will lead you to failure. So make sure that you thoroughly analyze your existing organization and list it out all the key factors which are required to sustain or support your modernization journey, and then go for the modernization approach. There are plenty of tools available for you to modernize. Do not just go and pick as others are picking. Analyze your application, your organization, your business objective, and pick which tool will be right for your modernization and adopt it. This will be helpful for your organization to save money. And second thing is skills, right? When you plan to modernize your applications or platform or infrastructure, do not go and look for the latest trending technology and try to adopt, and later you should not think that we don't have the skill set available for adopting these things. So also focus on your organization skill sets and make sure that you are capable enough to implement those latest technologies to address one of the key business problems in your organization And by implementing this particular trending technology to solve the business problem, you will attain 100% modernization. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it to your friends so that they will also get benefited of it. Take care. Bye.